Hi, I'm Jan Diatri, and if you've got a minute, we can make this.
A great chicken salad or tasty tuna salad sandwich don't need a lot of ingredients to make them fabulous. Here's what you'll need. 2 12-ounce cans of albacore tuna in water, or 2 cups of diced cooked chicken, your choice of Miracle Whip or mayonnaise, Marzetti coleslaw dressing, sweet or dill pickle relish, red onion, celery, and some lemon pepper. For tuna salad, drain the tuna and place in a bowl. Add a half a cup of slaw dressing, a half a cup of mayo, a tablespoon of relish, 4 teaspoons of diced red onion, 2 tablespoons of celery chopped fine, and a half a teaspoon of lemon pepper. Gently toss. Grab your favorite bread, add lettuce, tomato, and spoon it on. A pickle and chips goes perfect. For the chicken salad, same tasty ingredients. Toss, and on a bed of romaine lettuce, add sliced tomatoes, then mound that delicious chicken salad right on top. Chicken or chicken of the sea could be your new favorites.
We'll catch you next time on the 1 Minute Kitchen.
1 Minute Kitchen proudly presented by these sponsors.